Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to show you that how you can make tasty and spicy sweet potato chips very easily at your home. Here we have taken some sweet potatoes, so watch this full video to get this amazing recipe in just 2 minutes. First of all, take a big container full of water and now you have to wash sweet potatoes in this. Wash them properly to remove all the dirt. See how we are washing them. Water water color has been changed, you can see that. Now you have to dry them with a cloth. See, now you have to cut them into small pieces like this we are doing. After this you have to add some salt. We are adding approximately 1 spoon of salt and 1 spoon of red chili powder. Now with the help of your hands or with any other thing you have to mix them properly like we are doing. Now what you have to do is you have to add some oil in a pan or kadai, heat it and then add your sweet potatoes in it. Now let them fry for 1 to 2 minutes. See, you will see instant change in color in just 1 to 2 minutes. Fry them properly from both the sides. This will take your maximum 2 to 3 minutes only. When they become lightish brown in color, you have to switch off the flame. After this, you have to take them out in a plate. See, your crispy and tasty sweet potato chips are almost ready. These chips are healthy too. Now you have to put them in a serving plate or a bowl. Also add some chaat masala and your sweet potato chips are ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.